Hello everyone and welcome back to another subscription reveal video, this time for August. Now this month feels like a big milestone because this time last year, the August collection was the first time we properly reformatted and I think leveled up our kits. So this has been such a nice opportunity to just kind of look back and see how far I've gone. And I think we try and keep getting better and better every month. And I definitely feel like this month I've really pushed myself to do something a little bit different. And different for me, and often for me it might not look that much to you, but it's often for me about working with different colours and different design things. So anyway, I'm going to stop babbling and get straight into this because I kind of showed you this already, but here is the art print for this month. What we appreciate, we create more of. So the theme for this month is appreciation, and this collection is called Appreciation, and it is all about encouraging us to take time in our days for a little bit more gratitude. Gratitude is so powerful, and it's one of those things that it sounds obvious, stay grateful, but it's so helpful, and especially if we're going through a difficult time. Like I feel like so many of us right now are, this year has not been easy and it doesn't seem to be getting any easier with so much going on. So being grateful for where you are is so helpful for mental health and has so many other benefits as well. So this is sheet 1, and as you can see, we've got this beautiful colour palette going on here. We've got so many summery colours coming through and loads of lovely illustrations. So we've got dragonflies, we've got these beautiful florals, more dragonflies there. We've also got, look at this little ladybird, so cute. That's another one. I love the ladybirds. And yeah, we've got some more of those illustrations here. We've got our moons, we've got our numbers, and then down the side it says so much joy and love, and it says attitude of appreciation. So that's sheet 1. Sheet 2, so a lot of the illustrations. We've got these lovely flowers, dragonflies, joyful, our quote there at the bottom, lots of lovely illustrations down there. And sheet 3, so let's start up here. Got little ladybirds. We've got our dragonflies and ladybirds on corners. These, and then we've got our mini kind of washies, and down here again all foiled. Just look at this little guy, look at this little dude. Oh, he's so cute. We've got our boxes. We're using 2 fonts this month. We've got 2 fonts we're using together, which are both really beautiful together, and they look amazing together. One thing you will notice about this kit is, and I feel like it's really become a mini series. We had New Day, we had Paradise, and now we have Appreciation. So we've got moving forward, enjoying the journey, and appreciating where you are. And I feel like this has become a real trio. And this is really, it brings together. If those 2 kits had a baby, it would be Appreciation. It would be this kit. And you can see that kind of from the colours, but from the illustrations as well. And I mean, just take a look at this washi. I am so proud of this. I've never done anything quite this detailed before, but I'm so proud of how this turned out. I absolutely love it. So we've got all of the sort of the florals in the background and the dragonflies on top. And again, dragonflies on top of these as well. Okay, so on to the 4 mini art prints for the month. So we've got so much beauty in the world. There is wonder in every day. Enjoy the small magic moments. I'm grateful for all the joy and love in my life. Okay, so the next sheet I'm going to show you is usually our quote sheet, but I've done something a little bit different this month. And because the theme was appreciation, I thought let's do something a bit different and let's do some gratitude prompts. And I thought these would look great in your planners. You could stick them in and right underneath sort of some of these different things that you appreciate or you're grateful for. So we've got some various prompts here: my home, friends, work, myself, family, my skills, health, and a nice moment as well. So you might be familiar with that from the gratitude journal kits, but yeah, just thought something a little bit different for your planners this month. Next up, I'm really excited to show you this one. This is our illustration sheet for the month. Oh, so many lovely things to pull out here. We've got these lovely bouquets, really colourful and bright. We've got dragonflies, we've got little mini ladybirds. We've got other little floral bits that you can layer up and look really nice together on here. And then we also have our foiled sheets. We've got a couple of extra quotes on here and lots of little foiled elements to get stuck into. I think this, one thing I was quite keen to do here was to have this follow on a little bit from last month. So if you've got sort of stickers from the Paradise collection, these are going to look great together as well, I think, especially the palms. They're going to look really nice with this one as well. So that's those two. And of course we've got some die cuts, so I popped in another one of these floral bouquets, just a bit of a bigger one. And we've also got this one, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Gotta have some quotes in here, and enjoy the little things as well. So that is the August subscription and the appreciation selection. So this is open for enrollment until the 14th of the month. You can buy it as a one-off, or you can buy it as a monthly rolling subscription, or you can pre-purchase it for 3, 6 or 12 months as well if you would like to save a little bit more. A lot of these designs are exclusive to the subscriptions, such as the art print and the foiled sheets and the die cuts as well. And just to let you know as well, if you're not aware, we have now started doing turning our collections into vertical planner kits. So if you use a vertical planner, standard vertical planner like Happy Planner or an Erin Condren, our stickers are now available for you guys as well. So check out the website. I'll pop a link below so you can see those. But let's see, pop me a little, I'm trying to think of an emoji that fits with this collection. There isn't a dragonfly one, is there? I don't know, is there? Let me know what you think. Yeah, actually drop it an emoji you think is appropriate in the comments if you love this collection. And thank you so much for watching. Drop me any questions as well you have, and I will see you all again very soon.